Hello, everybody. This is the Townsend Press Components overview video. So locate and join Townsend Press online. I'm going to put the video here. I'm going to entitle video is here so you guys can find it more easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here, and I am in student view. So click on Townsend Press. It's going to take you, it's going to link you right to the Townsend Press online. Well, it should. You know what, maybe because I'm in student view, it's going to stop me. Excuse me one second. Oh no, it did. Okay, just took a second. So just type your name here. Type in the name that you're going to use for the records. That way it's easier for me to find you. So let's, Kevin Howell, save name, and then you'll go into the system. I'm going to change views here and show you what it looks like on my end, but I think it'll look the same for you, but I have to go somewhere else. Hold on one second. Okay, so I just took this out of student view so you can see everything I see now. But if you come over here and click on Townsend Press, it's going to look a little different now. But this will probably be what it'll look like with you for you after you put your name and registered to the class. So Townsend Press, before you would see add your name, but you only do that once. Let this catch up with me. And I think yours will look the same, maybe a little different, but what you're going, no, oh, you know what? Let me go to student view here. Sorry guys, I'm babbling. Student view. This is what you'll see after you've logged your name in the first time. And we're using the Advanced Reading Writing Connection Plus book. So if you click here, this book is, you guys get, I think, 4 weeks free. So the book you will be able to use if you want to. However, I'll show you in a second that I put videos in with the assignments. But here, take a look here. The book is here, and then here are the assignments underneath. Notice that it says January 14th. These are all due January 14th. There's the lesson. The lesson won't count as a score, but I would go over it anyway. I'll help you. And then here's exercise. So let's take a look at chapter 1, main ideas in reading. So exercise 1 and 2, remember in the other video I said that you could do these, complete these over and over and over until you get 100. So if you do exercise 1 and you miss the question, it will give you the right answer, but I hope you don't just go and answer to get the right answer. I hope you really learn from these, because when you do the mastery test 1 and 2 for each chapter, those you cannot repeat, so do well on those. So for the first assignment for week 1, you have chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. And notice that they're all due on January 14th by 11:55 p.m. Now remember, Canvas is set up at 11:59 p.m., but Townsend Press is a little different, so make sure you get those done before 11:59. Now, I know you're all good students and you're not going to wait that long. And take a look at chapter 3. There are 4 exercises. I'm giving you all 4 exercises because if you get 4 100s, that's just going to add to the total average of these 3 assignments. I'm really trying to help you out here. All right, so this is what Townsend Press looks like. Let me see if it'll let me click on one of the exercises. Yes. So you would just read, look at the sentences are numbered, and then you choose one. So here, choose the number of the sentence that expresses the main idea or topic sentence. So, and then you can read these and then decide which one you think is the correct answer. All right. And then when you hit go, if it's the right answer, it'll say correct. If not, it'll tell you what the wrong answer is and why. That way you can learn from these. All right, I'm going to jump back over to Canvas now. You've seen this. The last thing I wanted to say here is, again, the book is here. You may not need to use the book because I put videos. I'll show you that in a second. But again, January 14th, don't wait. Get them done by January 7th if you can and move on to week 2. All right, so I'm going to go to student view. Let me go back to modules. Student view. All right, so I've showed you how to locate and join. Help buying the code. The code is $15. You can look there for that. Again, you saw chapter 1, 2, and 3 in Townsend Press. They're all due January 14th. The exercises you can redo. The mastery test you cannot. Again, all 3 of these are in Townsend Press. You will see more of Townsend Press in the week 2. So don't wait for the last minute. Go ahead and get started on these. Oh, the last thing I wanted to show you is in each chapter. So if you don't have the book, because I don't require the book, but since you guys are in a winter class, you maybe have the book the whole time. You can look through the chapters, or I went through and made videos of the chapters of the main points. And I don't know why this one came out so tiny, but watch these videos first and then attempt the exercises and the master test. Okay, everybody, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.